How to log in TikTok account on PC. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to log in or sign in into TikTok account on PC. Without further delay, let's get started. First, launch a web browser on your device. Click search bar, type in tiktok.com and press enter on your keyboard. Afterwards, you will land on the official interface of TikTok. Depending on your internet connection, this will take a few time to load, so wait patiently. So here we are on the official interface of TikTok, where you can simply click on login button at top right corner of your screen. Now here are different methods to log into TikTok. You can use QR code, so you can easily use the QR code, use phone or email or username, continue with Facebook, continue with Google or continue with Apple. If you don't have an account, click on don't have an account and click sign up and use the following prompts and sign up into TikTok. So let's choose continue with Google and enter the credentials to log into TikTok. So now we have successfully logged into TikTok account. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.